VPN connection like the ones I have here. So if you look at my connections here, I have Outline server, London server, a US VPN server. These are all servers that you can set up using Linode or any cloud service provider on any Linux machine. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to Linode. I have a link in the description. Just know if you do go through my link, you will be supporting me, helping me out. I would really appreciate that. But you don't have to. You can just go to linode.com, create an account, and then once you're there, you want to go ahead and click on Create Linode. Pick your, click on Distribution, click an image, Debian 10. I recommend Debian 10. Select your region that's closest to you, or whatever region you want your VPN to be located in. For right now, I'm just gonna pick New York. And you don't have to use a dedicated GPU, you can just share, but you do need at least 2 gigabytes in order to run the Outline VPN. So just go ahead and name your VPN what you want. So I'm gonna call this new NJ VPN, better name. So NJVPN, you can't do any spaces, so you want to do a dash in there. Pick your root password. You want to just do SSH back into your server. And there you go. You can go ahead and click Create Linode. Then you just want to wait for this to be done. You can watch the progress on this console here. So you will need 2 things while this is going on. You will need to go to this website here, outline.org. So you will need to download the Outline Manager and the Outline Client. The Outline Client is what I have up here. And then the Outline Manager, I'm going to show you guys that in a minute. The Outline Manager will look like this. Now this is how you're going to add your servers. So the first thing you want to do is click on Add Server. And you see I already have some cloud pro from like DigitalOcean, Google Cloud that you can set up automatically, but we don't have any of those. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on Set Up Outline Anywhere and click Setup. And you just want to copy this code here. So Control C, Command C, I mean. Okay, now this is done. You can go ahead and SSH into your server. So open up a command terminal. Go ahead and SSH into that server. So SSH root at 50.116.53.178. You want to type in yes right here. Now go ahead and type in your password. Okay, now you're in. So now you want to do is copy and paste that installation code from the Outline Manager right here. So just go ahead and paste that in, hit enter. Oh, you also want to make sure you have Docker installed. I realized this doesn't install Docker. It'll ask you if you want to install it, but you want to click yes. You see, it'll click yes, but it'll actually fail and not work. It says installing Docker. Well, let's see if it goes through now. Usually it fails for me. Okay, there we go. So what you want to actually do is you want to go ahead and do apt update. And then apt install docker.io. Then hit yes. So this will go ahead and install Docker for you, which is a requirement for running Outline. Okay, and once this is done, you want to go ahead and paste that command back in, and it'll go ahead and install everything for you. Okay, and then, so now all you want to do is you want to copy this right here. So copy, and then paste that in here, and hit done. This will automatically connect to your server. Now I don't have an access key right here, so you can say, you can create new keys for different devices. So if you want to add your, let's say, your iPhone, if you want to give a key to your friend, let's say my friend, and you can see how much data each key is using. So I'm gonna connect my Mac right now. So I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna delete that. Remove. I'm gonna connect my Mac. Just say connect this device. Copy this key right here. Just say add server. So I just want to click the plus at the top and copy that key. Hit enter or add server. And now you should have that new Linode server that you just created. So it'll be this one right here. And you can rename this to whatever you want. So let's call this NJ VPN. Hit save. And if I click connect, it should connect me to the NJ VPN. You see I'm connected. And I can go ahead and see what's my IP. And it should be giving me that Linode IP address now. So yeah, so that's my IP. If we look at the server, it's the same IP that we're getting there. And you can create as many of these as you want on any cloud server or even your home server if you want, if you're, port forwarding or whatever you want to do. And that's it, guys. It's really that simple to get your own private and secure Outline server up and running and have all your traffic going to the private VPN. Yeah, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.